This is the step-by-step guide to become an algo trader, and it has all the details. Once if you have this one, then you can easily set up your trading account on Tradetron. So to become an algo trader, you need to have one algo platform. So for that, I'm using Tradetron. So here, first you need to open a Tradetron account, and for that use my referral link. I'll get little benefit or a little bit of commission from this. Okay, to open that Tradetron account, click on this link and it will take you to Tradetron. Just click on sign in. You can sign in with Google. That's it. So with this, now you open account with Tradetron. And the next one is, I strongly recommend to have a separate trading account for algo trading. And for that, use my referral links to open trading account if you are planning to open a new account. If you already have two different accounts, one you use it for algo trading and one use it for manual trading. And don't mix both. There are few issues you will face if you are using the same account. The one is the margin issues might come. Suppose in your account, if you have the margin, then you start placing your manual trades. Then all of a sudden this algo start placing the orders. That time if margin is not there, the algo will stop there itself. And sometimes when you are closing the positions, you will close the positions taken by algo. So that time, whenever the algo is trying to close those positions, those are already closed manually. So that time again, algo will fail or it will give different results. So to consider all these issues, better have a separate algo account, algo trading account. So if you are planning to open trading account, use my referral links. Okay, now you have Tradetron account and your trading account. Now it's time to configure your trading account in Tradetron. For this, configure first stock. Here the steps for that. And if you have any other broker, still you can continue and you can refer this. Let's quickly go to how to configure first stock account. Yeah, here on your Tradetron account, after login, you can see the profile here. You can go to broker and exchanges. On click of this, it will take you to this screen. You can click on add broker. In add broker, you can select your first stock as the broker and you give your user ID, password and two-factor authentication. Here you give your PAN number. So you no need to give TOTP. You no need to generate every day. Just you give the PAN number. Maybe in future, if they are changing this logic two-factor authentication to again TOTP, that time every day you have to enter TOTP and you have to generate a token. Okay, enter all these details and save it. That's it. Then every day before market open, you have to generate the token. So once if you generate the token, that token is valid for next 24 hours. So every day morning, you have to generate the token. If you didn't generate the token, it won't execute the trades on your trading account. The Tradetron platform will generate the signals, but whenever it is trying to send the trades to your broker, there it will fail because you didn't generate the token. So don't forget to generate the token before market open. Okay, now you configure your trading account. And after this, just you try this one. You test whether your setup is correct or not. For that, there is one strategy given by Tradetron. This one is a simple strategy. It will buy one share of ITC. Why ITC? Any idea? Because usually it won't move within a day. Hardly it will change 1 rupee. That's it. So, and it will exit after 1 minute. So it will take the position and it will close it immediately. That will only one share. Okay, it's easy. You can subscribe and you can deploy this. And you can check whether the orders are placed or not. Okay, now let's assume your account also configured. Now you need to take the strategy. If you go to Tradetron marketplace, you can find thousands of strategies and which one to subscribe. Okay, so here I'm providing one strategy as I explained, A1 hybrid strategy. Okay, let's go to this. Now this is the strategy and here I had given the details of this one. more or less similar details. Yeah, this you need to subscribe. Okay, now you subscribe to my strategy. Now you have to deploy that strategy on Tradetron platform. So for that, Tradetron is charging. They have different plans, and the starter plan is 300 rupees. That means with 300 rupees, you can start algo trading. Here they have different plans. One is using 300 rupees plan, you can deploy only one strategy. And in retail plan, you can deploy up to 5 strategies. And 2,500 rupees plan, you can deploy up to 12 strategies. So if you find any other strategies, any other good strategies on Tradetron marketplace, if you want to deploy those, then you have to go for a different plan. To start with, you can start with the 300 rupees plan. This is the link to buy the Tradetron plan. And the first step I mentioned, use my referral, right? So here, this is the benefit. Here in this, I'll get 20% as the commission. So 60 rupees, I'll get it. And it's not mandatory. If you have already Tradetron account, you continue with that. No need to again open one more. You continue with that. Otherwise, if you're first time you are using, you use my referral. And once if you buy this one and you already subscribe to my strategy, if you go to my strategies, you can see my hybrid strategy. Next to that, there is a deploy button. Click on that and you choose your broker. Then you can deploy. That's it. And every day you have to generate the token. Don't forget to generate this. So all this communication, like every day, okay, I will send a reminder saying that please generate the token. And if any issues during the market hours, suppose the strategy is for some specific people, it is failing, means it got some error and it struck. So I will communicate in this channel. So whenever you are opting for this algo trading, algo strategy, you join this one, all the communication will happen in this. And here, Tradetron, they had given few videos on what are the different status of the strategy. You go through this. I strongly recommend to go through all these. It's just half an hour of time you have to spend. You will get basic idea of how this Tradetron platform will work and how to resolve errors if you got any errors. And exit on error settings. You go through these. And another one advantage of using Tradetron, by spending just 300 rupees, okay, you might be asked like, okay, what is happening on my trading account? I don't know. I just subscribed to this strategy and I deployed on Tradetron. What is happening during the daytime? Suppose if you are not watching this, what is the positions it is taking? So all those things, you will get it as notifications. Go to profile here, notifications. You can configure either you want SMS or WhatsApp, and call and email. You can select whatever you want. Whenever it took any position, by buying, selling, or closing the position, any trades happened on your trading account, you will get a call and you will get WhatsApp message, you will get email. You save this one. And for this, you have to update your mobile number on your profile after sign up. Then you will get all these features just by paying 300 rupees per month. And it is providing a good trading platform. It will execute the trades as per the strategy and it will send alerts, notifications, all. So you no need to worry about that. If you are getting any errors, even though that time also you'll get a call, you can come back and see what is the error and you can resolve it manually.